Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're going to demonstrate this OTOFIX diagnostic package, which I am going to put a link to in the description below this video. We're in a mini Countryman right now with the check engine light on, so we're going to use this tablet package to actually diagnose the fault. Now it is a wireless tool. I do need to be quite quick because I'm on a 9% battery here, but this is a wireless tool, so we have a dongle which is plugged into the diagnostic port of the vehicle here. So we'll click onto diagnostics. I'm going to just select European so we can quickly find our Mini. So there it is, Mini. And we're going to go through the steps of diagnosing and resetting this fault. So we'll go automatic selection. We can click read. It'll automatically select or find the VIN number of the vehicle. In most cases it should allow you to read the VIN number. So it's come back with the correct vehicle information. It's just reading the vehicle information before we get into diagnosing a fault in the actual engine system. Okay, so we can go to diagnosis, control unit, and we'll go to the drive because we want to diagnose the engine system. Go to read fault codes, and it's giving us one fault code of 102613. That's a manufacturer specific fault code, and it's telling us the HFM in brackets hot film air mass meter, which is also known as a mass airflow sensor or a MAF signal fault. So we found out that this was a fault with the mass airflow sensor in this vehicle, and we have since put a new mass airflow sensor in. So what we can do now is just simply try and erase this check engine light. So to do that, I'm going to click onto escape, going to click onto erase codes. It may or may not let us do this. Error ECU rejected. We've had that on a previous tool which is quite similar actually. So the way around this is to just simply go back to come out of all of this. Once you've at least got your fault codes and your fault, you fixed the problem, come out of all of this, go back to all and go onto the check engine signal there, and then you can go to auto scan, and it will find a protocol that it can communicate with, and this is, you go in and you erase the fault codes during this section here. So we'll click OK to that, and then we go to DTC and FFD. So these were the fault codes that we're getting. Notice they're both exactly the same. This is a generic fault code, whereas previously it was giving us the manufacturer specific fault code. But ultimately it's telling us the mass airflow sensor is faulty. One's current, one's pending. That's perfectly normal. And we click on to erase codes because we know the new system, the new part has been put in. So now it's telling us conditions not correct. Turn key on with engine off. Okay, so we need to turn the engine off and then put the ignition on. So then we'll just click OK to that, and we'll try that again, unless it's automatically going to do so. No trouble codes detected, so that probably means that it's erased the trouble codes successfully. We've still got the check engine light though, so what I'm going to do is just simply start the engine, and that should turn off automatically. There we go, it's gone. And that's all thanks to the OTOFIX, I think it's the D1, I think they call it, yeah, OTOFIX D1. But I will put a link to this kit in the description below this video. Like I say, there are fakes, there are clones out there in the market, so if you want to make sure that you're getting the genuine product, then please make sure you use the links in the description below this video. But it does cover obviously a wide range of systems, manufacturers, service functions as well. It covers absolutely everything. There's so many different things you can do with this tool. It would be impossible for me to put it in this video, but we have done more detailed videos on this kit which will showcase the product in greater detail. But thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.